Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I'm going to change the cabin air filter of this Fiat Punto mk2. You can find the air filter under this cover, passenger side of course. Just pull down this cover that is held in place by these pins here. The air filter is inside this housing here. We have to remove these two screws, Phillips head screws in this case. It is possible that you can find other types of screws, of course. Once removed, you can see the air filter inside his housing. To remove it, just pull it down like this. You will find some dirt inside, so pull it slowly and pay attention to the position, okay, to the direction of the air filter, okay, because you have to put the new one in the same direction. This is the air filter. On the new filter you will find an arrow on one side that shows you the airflow direction. Okay, take the new air filter, push it up into his housing, like this, and push it all the way up. If you don't have the AC in your car, you won't find this kind of filter. Okay, once placed, put on the cover and screw in the two screws. As always, don't over tighten them. Put the last cover back in place. Be sure to insert the pins in these holes. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, to like this video and to comment down below. See you on the next video. Ciao!